In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a document in the Grammarly web editor, so you and collaborators can access it easily. This guide will take you through the simple process of getting started with a new document in Grammarly, and then going over how to share it once you're done. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of Grammarly's web editing features. First, to create a new document, you need to start by logging in to Grammarly's web editor. You'll find it at the link https://app.grammarly.com. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your main hub for everything Grammarly related, and it's incredibly user-friendly. To start a new document from scratch, simply click on New Document. This immediately opens up a blank page for you to begin writing. It's a seamless process, perfect for when inspiration strikes and you're ready to put your thoughts into words. Alternatively, if you've already written something in another application, say a Word document, and you'd like to bring it into Grammarly for a polish or additional edits, you can. Just click the Upload File button. From there, find the file on your computer that you wish to upload, select it, and Grammarly will do the rest for you. It will upload it directly into the web editor, where you can continue editing and take advantage of Grammarly's comprehensive checking and suggestion features. Now, once inside the document editor, Grammarly really starts to shine. You can write and edit your text, and Grammarly will provide suggestions for improvement in spelling, grammar, and style. It's like having a dedicated editor's team making sure your document is at its best. Use these suggestions as you see fit. They are aimed at enhancing clarity and ensuring your message is clearly communicated. Alright, let's move on to the sharing process. Say you're ready to share your document with others. It's just as simple as getting started. You'll need to head back to your Grammarly homepage. Here, with your document prepared, you should spot the ellipsis or the More Actions icon next to your document's title. Clicking this will present you with a couple of options, specifically Download or Delete. Since we're focusing on sharing the document, choose Download. Your document will be saved as a Word file, but keep in mind it might vary depending on your default download settings. The final step involves taking this downloaded document and sharing it on various platforms. Whether you prefer sending it over email, a messaging app, or perhaps posting it on your social media for a broader audience, the choice is yours. This flexibility ensures you can collaborate effectively or simply share your work with those who matter most. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared a document using Grammarly's web editor. It's an efficient way to ensure your documents are polished and well communicated to your intended audience. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.